Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to post a picture on Instagram comment. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Make sure that you have logged in into your desired Instagram application from where you want to post a comment. And then suppose I want to post a comment in this one. So head over to the comment section. And in the comment section, you can see there is the beside the writing part, there is an option of sticker. So click on it. Here you will find two options. Either you can send a GIF or you can send an avatar. So if you have created an avatar, you can send that, and you also can send a GIF from here. So, but unfortunately, Instagram hasn't made it available in the regions, in some specific regions that we can't post comments on here. Yeah, and post comments of pictures. And yeah, that's it. This is the information we wanted to share with you. Hope this will be helpful for you, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.